Hello everyone, my name is Giselinta and this presentation is for MDM4U Unit 6 Assignment 1. Today I will be talking about probability in real life, specifically through two examples, the lottery game Lotto Texas and the casino game Blackjack. So these games will help demonstrate how probability affects the real-world gambling situations. So let's look at Lotto Texas. In this game, player chooses 6 numbers from 1 to 54. The numbers are drawn 3 times a week on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. The order of the numbers do not matter, which means this is a combination problem. And each ticket costs $1, and the jackpot begins at $5 million and increases until someone wins. So because the order does not matter, we calculate the number of possible tickets using combination, not permutation, combination. So we're choosing 6 numbers from a total of 54 numbers. So this will result in over 25 million possible combinations. This means there will be over 25 million different tickets that could exist. So it means that to win a jackpot, a player must match all 6 numbers. And therefore, the probability of winning with one ticket is this, 1 divided by over 25 million number. And also we can see that the probability can be written in the fraction form, decimal form, and percentage form. This shows that the chance of winning the jackpot is extremely small. So the question is it worth playing? So in my opinion, the lottery is not worth playing as a way to make money. The probability of winning is extremely low and most players lose money over time. And because of this, the lottery should only be viewed as entertainment and not as an investment. Also because the lotteries are designed to generate profit for the government or the lottery organizations. So why do people keep playing? So even if the odds are very small, many people continue to play the lottery because one reason is the hope of becoming rich. They believe that jackpot can change someone's life, so they would use the hope and wish that they will also win the jackpot. Another reason is it is a small cost for a potentially huge reward. So the cost of the lottery ticket is very low, but if you win the jackpot, the return can be very rewarding. Additionally, media also focuses on the winners, which makes the people believe that they might win too. Another point is most of the people do not understand the way probability works, and therefore they believe that they could win despite the very low chances of winning. And also it is the belief that someone has to win because they believe that if someone can do it, then they can too. And in the end, many players also enjoy the excitement and the anticipation of waiting for the draw, and they might also choose to participate in the lottery solely because of that reason. Now let's move on to the casino game. The goal of blackjack is to get a hand value as close to 21 as possible without going over. So here we show how the card values work. So cards from 2 to 10 keep their face value. Jack, Queen, and King are worth 10, and Ace can be worth either 1 or 11. So here player has options. It's whether they want to hit, which means they want to draw another card, or they want to stand, which means they will just keep the current total and they won't draw more cards. But if a player goes over 21, they will bust and they will automatically lose. So which means bust is the same meaning as losing. Now there are different possible outcomes in the blackjack. So the player's chance of winning is about 42 to 44% if they use the basic strategy. Because if you how to win is like your hand has to be closer than 21 than the dealer, and it means you have 42 to 44% of winning, while the dealer has the probability of 48% of winning. And about 9% of the game ends in tie. The casino has a small advantage called the house edge, which is usually around 1 to 2%. This means that over many games, the casino will make a profit. Now let's look at the probability example. Imagine the player has a hand value of 16. So if they choose to hit and draw any cards that are either 6 or greater than 6, their total will be either 22 or greater than 22. This means that they will bust. And here we show the cards that are bust. They have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Jack, Queen, and King. Now counting these cards gives 32 bust cards out of 52 card deck. So the probability of busting is 32 over 52, which means it's 61.5%. That means you have over 60% of losing if your hand has a value of 16. In conclusion, probability plays an important role in gambling games. Lotteries have extremely low chances of winning, while casino games like blackjack have better odds but still favor the house. So understanding this probability can help people make more informed decision about gambling. And this is it for my presentation. Thank you so much for listening.